Hi everyone, so this question is queries on the permutation with key. So basically we are given a queries array and an integer m. So queries integer is going to be the value for the in array you create based on this m. So here's the diagram, and based on the given m, so you are going to create from 1 to m, and based on the queries array, you are going to switch the order based on the value inside the queries array, right? So for example, the first one is 3, so you are going to delete the 3 and then put it into the first one, and then now, so when we delete it, we need to memorize the position. We need to put a red down on the position. So it was initially 2, right? So so now this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? The position, I'm talking about position. So now it's 1. So this is position 1, but we need to put it into 1, right? So the answer is 2, 1, another color. Alright, anyway, this is deleted, this is it. So the array is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm talking about index. And the next one, 2. So this is 2, the index is 0, 1, 2, so put a 2, and then get rid of this number and then put a 2 right here. Now it's 1, so the index is 1, 0, 1, right? So the answer is 2, 1, 2, 1, right? 2, 1, 2, 1, and then you put it into the first. Now here's the coding. How do you actually use this? So if you know this strategy is based on the linked list, and then you can use the index of, and then basically you can do everything you want, right? I'm gonna say linked list integer. Let's equal to new linked list, and I'm going to initialize my array based on m, and I need a return value for in array. I'm going to call result. So this length is going to be the length of the query start length. Alright, and I need to return results, right? Now, how many queries we have, right? We need to traverse, so we need to use the I equal to I less than queries start length and I plus plus, and then so for the current value in the queries, it's going to be I, right? And then for the index, inside the linked list, right? So let's start index though, based on this value, right? And then we need to put down the result at I position for the index, right? Now we need to delete the value inside the linked list and then add that into the front, right? So let's start remove the index, right? We can where we remove the index and then we put that into the first one. So let's start add with 0 and then down, right? And this is supposed to be the solution, all right? Now, let's talk about time and space. So this is going to be a space. This is going to be a space, but this is actually depending on the length of the queries and the size of the m. So I would say depending on the m and the length of the query. So the size is actually pretty much it, right? This is going to be a time. This is all of m, and this is all of q based on the length of the queries and m. So the total time and space complexity I will actually know like this, right? Maximum between m and q, and then m represent m, q represent length of the queries. And this is a solution, and I will see you next time. Bye.